this may be the best budget DSLR of 2018. Today we are here with Sam and we are unboxing the brand new, that's not that new,
it's
Canon Rebel T7i. And in case you didn't know, I've been using the Canon Rebel T5i to shoot all of my videos, and that will be what we're just shooting this video.
This is 2 generations ahead, although it still shoots in 1080p just like the T5i.
And by the way, this is not my camera. I'm not going to be updating anytime soon, but you've got Sam here with the brand new T7i, so let's unbox this thing. Unbox it just like this. Register your EOS camera now, and of course a novel that is the size of a Harry Potter booklet. When we open this up just like this, we've got a lot of bits of bubble wrap. The first thing we'll see inside looks like the battery charger. Next up, we've got what looks to be the camera itself, the body, but we will set that aside because we save best for last on this channel. And just like this, we have the lens. This is the Canon 18 to 55mm lens. This is new and improved. Finally though, this is the body itself. We'll kind of take it out just like this. And of course, all Canon cameras come in this nice bag, just like this, that you can store it in. And this is the Canon T7i.
Now I'ma be the captain of my dreams. I see my rhymes like they are in the elevator scene where they must survive. Say I got that drive, is what I mean true. I never pass a beat up, and you will never catch my feet up. See, I got a passion, I gotta pass on to my son till the sun comes to pass on my draft and the song to the.
So the main difference between the Canon T7i and the T5i that I've always been shooting on is the Wi-Fi capability.
Wi-Fi capability really means that you can transfer things you've shot from your camera onto your phone directly through Wi-Fi. You take some photos and you want to upload them to your Instagram. Immediately just download them onto your phone and send them immediately without having to go through a computer.
I've never really needed that, but it is something to consider if you feel like you might be using that feature. Another plus to the T7i over most other cameras is that it has 24.2 megapixels, so it is razor sharp. Plus, it's got the same sensor in it as the Canon 80D and Canon SL2, which is really pretty nice. You can get some nice high quality photos. As you guys probably know, the Canon 80D is what shot most of Casey Neistat's early vlogs. So if you thought those were cinematic, you can get those exact same shots on the T7i. And it will almost always be in focus because of the Canon T7i's dual pixel autofocus. So while it's only got 45 autofocus points, Sony's cameras have hundreds, but they don't have that dual pixel autofocus, which means you can utilize multiple points at a time, which was what was on the legendary Canon 80D and has been brought down to this model. So despite the amount of points that the actual camera has, this is going to be some of the best autofocus in the game. So if you're shooting video and you're going to be vlogging or taking a subject, this is the camera for you.
For vlogging, this camera is also better for many others. If you pop a Canon 10 to 18mm lens and Joby Gorilla Pod on there, you have an excellent setup.
Plus, if you buy the video creator kit,
it comes with a Rode Video Mic Go and a 32GB SD card, which is all you really need to get started.
And especially great for vlogging, the Canon T7i has time-lapse mode, something that I've wanted on the T5i for so long but I've never gotten. Essentially, for all the time lapses you have ever seen in any of my videos ever, I basically just leave my camera running on video mode and drain down that SD card so I can then speed up the video in editing. And on the T7i, as well as all other cameras that Canon's currently producing,
it is a built-in function.
And of course, the touch flip LCD screen, which is really, really helpful, although most of Canon's cameras have that, but surprisingly,
there are some camera manufacturers that don't.
Taking a look at the camera itself, it's got that new and improved 18 to 55mm lens, but in the end, you'll probably upgrade that because it is just the kit lens. But when you're first starting out, the 18 to 55 is great, and when you buy this off Canon's website, it's a really nice all-in-one kit.
Just like the Canon T5i, it's big and bulky, but considering all the strengths it has, I would say that they definitely outweigh the weaknesses of the camera, including the physical size. So is it worth it?
For $650 refurbished, I would say yes. It's a nice kit and it gives you everything you need to start professionally making content. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, and let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the Canon T7i and if you think you will be upgrading to it. I know it's not the newest camera, but it is the best one that Canon has to offer in its budget range.
And the most recent in the Rebel series.
I will see you guys next time. I'm Jack.
I'm Sam.
Peace out.